This page explains how to export user and booking data as a CSV, critical for reporting, analysis, and cross-functional collaboration. As you scroll, notice what data can be exported, how filtering and date ranges work, and what fields are included. Exports are your bridge from day-to-day operations to leadership reporting and deeper analysis. A real-world scenario. Your CRE or finance leader asks, "What's peak demand by day of week in NYC?" Exporting booking data lets you validate patterns, quantify constraints, and measure impact after policy changes. It's also useful for QBRs, adoption trends, utilization changes, and the effect of programs like Team Days. Another scenario. You're auditing an implementation or troubleshooting an issue. A CSV export can help isolate where data differs from expectations, like specific resource categories, buildings, or time windows. As you scroll, pause on any notes about definitions, how bookings are represented, how cancellations show up, and how users are identified. Those details matter for accurate analysis. Good exports give workplace leaders leverage. Instead of anecdotes, you can bring evidence, clear charts, segmented views, and credible numbers that support space planning and operational decisions.